This is a question about solving simultaneous equations. I got it from Wise Ant, which is a tutoring site. Some student asked this question, and you can solve it with substitution, you can solve it with an elimination, or you can solve it with cross multiplying. Cross multiplying, there I said it! Cross multiplying. And so here's how it's done with cross multiplying. I'm going to find how much a hamburger costs over here. I find how much fries costs over here. And I've already set up the equations. 2 hamburgers plus 1 order of fries, that's $3. 1 hamburger plus 2 orders of fries is $2.50. How much would 3 hamburgers plus 1 French fry cost? All right, I'm going to put a 1 there because it's 1 hamburger. Well, let me do hamburgers first. I'm looking for hamburgers, so I am going to first cross multiply from the top, fries times 250. So 1 times 2.5 is 2.5 or 250. Minus. Now I'm going to do it the other way. 2 times 3. I'm going to go to the bottom. 2 fries, 3. Minus 6. Then divide it by. And I'm going to cross this way. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 2 times 2. Minus 4. So that equals 250 minus 6 is negative 350 over negative 3. And that, I'm just going to leave it that way. That's 350 over 3. That's how much a hamburger costs. The reason I leave it that way is if I were to do that division and then round now, it might cause an error in the final calculation. So I'll round at the end. So I want to find the number of fries. So I'm going to start in the second equation with the hamburger. 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3 minus, and then I get 2 times 2.5 minus 5 divided by, and now this is it's done a different way, but it comes out to the same number. Because I'm looking for fries, I start with the bottom hamburger, but it's crossed here. 1 times 1 is 1 minus, wait, I want to get rid of that error. 1 times 1 is 1 minus, 2 times 2 is 4. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So a fries costs 2/3 of $1. That's a fry. Now, if you were to do 2/3 on your calculator, you get 0.666666. That's the exact amount. Then people would round it to 67 cents. And again, that could cause errors in the final calculation. So I'm just leaving it with the fractions. All right, I want 3 hamburgers. 3 times 350, or in Chicago we say 350, divided by 3, plus 2/3 of $1. That's going to equal the price of 3 hamburgers and 1 fry. I've got this 3 in the bottom. I'm going to need that 3, same denominator, to add them. So I'll just multiply 3 times 350. That's 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9, is 1 is 10. 1050 divided by 3 plus 2 over 3 equals 12. 50 divided by 3. And now I can do that division. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 left over, and then into 20 it's going to be 6. And then 2 is going to keep being left over, so it's 6666 forever. Well, I can round that now. That's the final answer, so I can round that to $4.17. And that's the answer. 3 French fries, 3 hamburgers, plus 1 fries is $4.17. And I did that with crossing. So again, since I was looking for 2, I do it like this, minus this, that's the top. And then since I was looking for the h here, you could call it x and y, whatever, then I do 1 times 1 minus 2 times 2. And then for the fries, I'm going to set up a fraction. And since I'm looking for fries, and I start down here, 1 times 3 minus 2 times 2.5. Cross it like that. And then it comes out to the same calculation. I start down here, 1 times 1 minus 2 times 2, the same calculation in the denominator. And then that's it. Then I can solve for h and f and find whatever combination of hamburgers and fries. Oh, I almost forgot. If you need help with math or SAT and ACT tutoring, you can send me an email at franktutor@outlook.com. If you just have a question about a math worksheet, send an email, franktutor@outlook.com. That costs nothing. I will answer. I put 2 T's there. It's not supposed to have 2 T's, just supposed to have 1 T. Frank with 1 T, tutor@outlook.com. Boop. And if you have a question on a worksheet or a homework assignment, you just need some help with a question you don't know, or you're getting ready for a test, that's free. Just send an email. You'll get a response by the next morning. If you want tutoring for math or to prepare for a test like an SAT, ACT, TSIA2, something like that, send an email, franktutor@outlook.com. It's not free to have tutoring, but I'm an excellent tutor. So anyway, this is I showed you how to solve simultaneous linear equations using cross multiplying.